Introducing XMARTO's wire-free solar security camera with all-weather charged solar panel. Enjoy peace of mind wherever you are with the thermal sensing HD security cameras installed in your home or business. See and hear in crystal clear real-time 2K 4-megapixel videos with 2K 4-megapixel high-definition video cameras offering infrared night vision that you can use indoors or outdoors. The Super HD 4-megapixel videos let you discern important information that are important for evidence, such as faces and license plates. Powered with large-capacity rechargeable batteries and XMARTO's all-weather charged solar panels, the cameras stay charging even in rainy and snowy days, to keep the cameras working with non-stop power. The long-range Wi-Fi cameras with solar power make the cameras easy to install and use for everyone, without the need of running cables. Get push notifications on your smartphones when thermal activity detected, so you are well notified when you have a true visitor. One tap to sound an alarm siren to deter intruders away. Stop crime before it happens. The integrated 400 lumens floodlights automatically light up when thermal activity is detected, helping you to see the areas in color night vision and enhance the deterrence. Automatically records motion-triggered videos to a SD card with easy retrieval right from your smartphone. Have extra peace of mind by subscribing cloud storage, so you will have video evidences in cloud even your camera is broken. Use voice command via Alexa to see what's happening.
Alexa, show me the front door.
With Wi-Fi connection and solar battery power, mount your cameras without running cables. Do it yourself without paying for installation and cabling. View live footages and playback high-definition videos on your smartphone, tablet, PC or Mac. Protect your property, see if your package has been delivered and make sure your loved ones and pets are okay. Do it all with XMARTO's wire-free solar security camera with all-weather charged solar panel.